Hi, my name is Tim Coughlin with Galiso Incorporated, and I'm here to demonstrate our latest Record Test 4 hydrostatic cylinder testing machine using the water jacket method. And we just want to show you a little bit about how it works and how the machine is pretty much always waiting for the operator. We've proven in-house that it can test roughly up to 37 cylinders an hour. That's 3AA 3600 cylinders at 6,000 psi test pressure. The key is to just keep loading cylinders while it's testing and loading the data while it's testing. And one thing we do for you is when you make the data ready on the computer, it will also get the bowl stabilized while the other cylinder's testing. So when the other cylinder's done testing, you're alternating between two jackets. When the other cylinder's done testing, the next test will start immediately because the bowl is stabilized and ready to go. So we're going to demonstrate that here right now, and we'll let it run for a while, and you can maybe get a little bit of a time per test out of it, and we'll also tell you when we're done what throughput that I'm going to get on this test is. I may not be as fast as some operators, but we'll see what we get. Thanks. Okay, so now we have our first jacket is done testing, first cylinder, jacket number 1. And jacket number 2 started testing immediately because the bowl was stable. You can hear the pump going. I'm going to reload jacket number 1 while it's testing jacket number 2. We found that alternating, it goes very fast because it keeps the machine working at all times and the operator. So another benefit we have is to load the data ahead of time into a database. So all you do is pull up the serial number and the date of manufacture and the manufacturer. You pull it up just with one click, all that, because the data is already loaded. Now you can do that by hand and just pull it up with one click on the computer, or you can pull it up with a barcode. If you don't have a barcode, you just have to keep the cylinders in order. But with a barcode, they don't have to be in any order. You just hit the serial number barcode label that you print when you enter all the data into the database, and it finds it and automatically loads it for you. So now we've already got the pressure. It's in the hold time on the other jacket while I'm loading this jacket. Now it's bleeding off the pressure in jacket number 2, and I'm hooking up the hoses for jacket number 1. It's getting ready to take its disposition for jacket number 2, pass or fail. And you can hear the expansion valve clicking on and off, and that tells you that the test is over. And so as soon as I allow the computer to know that the data is ready and the cylinder is ready to test, that's when it's stabilizing the bowl. Then I pull out jacket number 2. So that's pretty much the advantages, is you just keep everything working all the time, the operator and the machine. It's constantly pumping. And we're going to speed up the video here in just a second and let the clock go with it. There it goes. And you can count if you want while we run the clock there and everything. And here we got 37 cylinders an hour. We went for a little over 40 minutes. It can actually go a little faster than what I was doing. I appreciate your time, and I think that's it.